Well, today is Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Thursday, December 29th, 2022. And we are all gutted. This is all wet. Stinking pretty bad. As you can see, there's water everywhere. This carpet stinks a lot. And the doors are off. There's damage inside the walls. And so far, the crawl space has been emptied out of the insulation. We are currently emptying this room. Family room, we're probably going to take off all the stuff because the fireplace needs to be inspected. And this rug is extremely wet as well. As you can see, it's all wet.
And there's
And
water and grass up to this line here.
there's water and grass on the door, on the chairs, as you can see. Yeah, I can't really see it, but it's there. We're surviving. We'll get through it. And wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. Bye-bye.